Welcome to English Anyway, where we learn English, no pressure, no perfection.
Lucy, I cleaned one drawer yesterday, and I found many old things.
One drawer had many old things.
Yes, I found old photos, 2 coins, 1 dry pen, and an old note.
That sounds sweet.
Sweet and dusty.
Today we have a longer listening first story. We will talk about cleaning one small place, finding old things, and remembering simple moments.
Good. Not a big cleaning lesson?
Not big, just one drawer.
That is my cleaning level.
Start with the scene. What did you clean?
Yesterday I cleaned one drawer.
Good story. For yesterday, say cleaned. Yesterday I cleaned one drawer.
Yesterday I cleaned one drawer.
Nice. What was inside?
There was old photos.
Good try. Use there were for more than one photo. There were old photos.
There were old photos.
If there's only one thing, say there was. There was an old note.
There was an old note. There were old photos, and there was an old note.
Excellent. That is our first contrast today. There was for one thing. There were for more than one thing.
So this example has grammar too. Interesting.
Only a little. We will keep the story first. What did you find first?
I found a photo from my first English class.
Oh, really?
Yes, I looked nervous but happy.
That is a useful sentence. I looked nervous but happy.
I looked nervous but happy.
Looked means appeared in the photo.
In the photo, my smile was small.
That is a lovely detail.
I also found 2 coins.
From where?
I do not know. Maybe they were from a trip. Maybe they were from my pocket.
Simple and clear. You can say, I do not remember where they came from. I do not remember where they came from.
I do not remember where they came from. Came from means the place or the beginning.
Yes, where they came from means where they started or where you got them.
I do not remember where they came from.
Great. What about the note?
The note said buy milk and call Mom.
Did you buy milk?
I think yes. So maybe I bought it.
Did you call your mom?
I hope yes. The note is old, so I cannot check.
That is okay. Old notes often show small daily life.
I liked it. It was not important, but it felt warm.
That is a beautiful beginner sentence. It was not important, but it felt warm.
It was not important, but it felt warm.
Felt warm means it gave you a nice feeling.
Okay, it felt nice, not hot.
Exactly, a nice feeling.
I can say it felt warm.
Yes. Let us build the story step by step. Benji, I will start, and you finish. Yesterday
I cleaned one drawer.
There were
old photos inside.
There was
an old note.
I looked
nervous, but happy.
It felt
warm. That is already a small story.
Yes. A story does not need big drama. It needs clear details.
The details are clear. I have one drawer, old photos, and an old note.
Good. Now let us add a small action. What did you do with the old photos?
I put them in a small box.
Perfect. I put them in a small box.
I put them in a small box.
Put stays put in the past. We do not say putted.
Good. One less past tense problem.
What did you do with the dry pen?
I throw it away.
For yesterday, say threw. I threw it away.
I threw it away. I threw it away. The pen was finished.
Good. What did you keep?
I kept the photo and the note.
Nice. I kept the photo and the note.
I kept the photo and the note.
Now we have 3 action verbs, put, threw away, and kept.
Threw away is hard for me to say.
Then we practice it slowly.
I threw it away. I kept the photo and the note. I put them in a small box.
Good. Now let us switch. Everyone listening, think about one drawer, one shelf, or one bag in your home. You can say I found an old photo, or I found an old ticket. Say one thing you found now.
I found 2 coins.
Great. Now say what you did with it. You can say I kept it, or I threw it away, or I put it in a box. Everyone listening, say your action now.
I kept the coins. Maybe they will be useful one day.
That is possible.
Or maybe they will just stay in the drawer again.
Also possible. Let us continue the story. After you cleaned the drawer, how did you feel?
I felt lighter.
Good sentence. I felt lighter.
I felt lighter.
Lighter can mean not so heavy. Here it means your mind felt cleaner.
My mind felt cleaner. That is true.
Did the room look different?
A little. The room did not change much, but I changed a little.
That is a thoughtful sentence, but still simple. The room did not change much, but I changed a little.
The room did not change much, but I changed a little. I like that. Small cleaning, small change.
Yes. And for beginners, small English can still say real feelings.
That is why I like this story.
Now here's one natural version. Listen for 2 new sentences. Benji, what did you do yesterday?
I cleaned one drawer in my desk.
Nice. What did you find?
There were old photos, 2 coins, and an old note.
What was on the note?
It said, "Buy milk and call Mom."
That is very everyday.
Yes, it was not important, but it felt warm.
Did you keep everything?
No, I threw away a dry pen, but I kept the photo and the note.
How did you feel after that?
I felt lighter. It was only one drawer, but it helped.
Sometimes one small job is enough for one day.
I agree. I will not clean the whole room today.
The first new sentence was, it was only one drawer, but it helped.
That sentence feels honest, small but useful.
The second new sentence was, sometimes one small job is enough for one day.
I need that sentence for my life.
It was only one drawer, but it helped.
It was only one drawer, but it helped.
Sometimes one small job is enough for one day.
Sometimes one small job is enough for one day.
Let us do one final practice, Benji. This is for you and for everyone listening.
Yesterday I cleaned one drawer. I found an old photo. It was not important, but it felt warm. Sometimes one small job is enough for one day.
Good. Now everyone listening, make your own tiny story. You can start with yesterday I cleaned one drawer, or yesterday I cleaned one bag. Say your first sentence now. Now add what you found. You can say, I found an old photo, or I found a note. Say your second sentence now. Now add your feeling. You can say it felt warm, or I felt lighter. Say your feeling now.
My story is simple, but I can say it.
That is the goal. Today we listened to a small drawer story.
Yesterday I cleaned one drawer.
There were old photos and there was an old note.
I put some things in a box and I threw away a dry pen.
I kept the photo and the note.
It was not important, but it felt warm.
And sometimes one small job is enough for one day.
I can use this story when I talk about my weekend.
Exactly. So before we go, we have one question for everyone listening. What small thing did you clean, keep, or find recently?
You can answer with one simple sentence. We would love to read it and cheer for you.
Keep learning English any way you want, and I'll catch you in the next one.